Babo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, another feature from home, and we would like to thank Crunchiligarlic for sending us their products. Actually, meron siyang katanungan sa atin. Sabi niya, do you want to turn your ordinary meals into extra special? Well, actually, that's what it did. Dito po sa table natin, pancit canton, meron tayong breakfast meals like corned beef, hot dog, and spam that stays them with the crunchy chili garlic. So say for example this spam, I want to taste this one, crunchy chili garlic. Oh wow, it is undoubtedly crunchy and no preservative. And at the same time, yung oil natin dito ginamit nila is coconut oil, so it's natural. So let me taste this one, an ordinary corned beef, turn it into extra special taste. So it gives that additional texture do sa mga kinakain natin. Now this one is a lumpia rolls or Shanghai rolls. Gawa lang tayo ng simpleng toyo mansi and then adding up a spicy crunchy garlic. Actually, yung mga flavors nila is already a pinch of chili. So meron ng hotness yung each bottle. Now if you want it extra spicy, you go for this one, which is the red cup. Ayan. So extra spicy tayo dito. So more taste testing like for this one. Simpleng siomai, toyo mansi, plus crunchy chili garlic. You're done. This one is a tocino in the morning, in the evening, actually in the afternoon, pwede rin to. Yung all day breakfast na talagang hindi ka magkakamali. Minsan naman, plain hot dog in the morning plus sunny side up egg, no problem. Just add in yung crunchy chili garlic natin on top of your plain rice. This is done. Your plain pancit canton, whatever brand is that, just add in on top egg plus yung crunchy chili garlic natin. This dumpling right here, dumpling, ooh, look at that. Toyo mansi. So if you notice guys, this is a chicken nugget, so you can actually partner it with ketchup and then lagyan mo pa rin yan ng crunchy chili garlic on top. It's gonna become extraordinary chicken nuggets. And then lastly, of course, hindi mawawala yung mga longganisa sa umaga. This is a longganisa long silog. There you go, all in one. I guess pinaka-favorite ko dito, yung tocino. Tapos egg. Right, so once again, thank you so much Crunchy Chili Garlic for your meal to become extraordinary with 100% guilt-free. They use all natural ingredients, no preservative added, no extenders, just pure garlic goodness. This is the crunchy chili garlic that will satisfy your cravings. If you are interested to be a reseller for these products, guys, make sure to check out their fan page. Enjoy this at the comfort of your home, guys. Grabe, ang sarap nito. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out, guys. Bye!